Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials: account status, registered mobile, and a secure device. Once done, open the Union Bank app or official site and choose New User or Activate Net Banking. Enter your account number or CIF, debit card number, and expiry. Make sure details match bank records. You will receive an activation OTP to your registered mobile. Use that to set your login ID and a strong password. This step links your credentials to the bank and enables secure access. After activation, log in with your user ID and password. The system sends a one-time password to verify you. Once authenticated, immediately set a transaction PIN or password distinct from your login to authorize transfers. This prevents unauthorized payments. Add beneficiary accounts by entering IFSC and account number, then complete confirmation via OTP. This step protects repeat transfers. Make sure to set daily transfer limits and enable alerts. Doing so helps you monitor activity and reduces fraud. To complete a payment, pick the transfer type, select the saved beneficiary, enter the amount, and confirm with your transaction PIN. Once processed, note the reference ID. If you need records, download statements, or schedule recurring payments for bills, these save time and provide proof. Always log out and clear cache on shared devices to keep access secure. If something goes wrong, like missing OTPs, check Do Not Disturb settings or mobile registration. If unresolved, contact the branch to re-register your number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.